What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Simply Gang Gang, we in this thing. So I just wanted to come on here and give y'all an update as far as my hair review goes. As everybody knows, I've been doing this journey trying to grow my edges back, and it's been a hassle. I will say that with Galaxy Hair Solutions, they have really allowed my hair to grow. I will say that growth there. As you can see, I had a fade, a TWA a month ago, and it's out. I have a fro now. So my hair definitely has grown. But as far as my edges go, that has been a different story. Of course, like I told y'all before, everybody's case is different. So, of course, I believe that plays a big factor in it as well. But I just wanted to hop on here real quick and let y'all know my update and how my hair goals are going thus far. Well, as y'all can see, the fro popping, luscious, right? We loving it. We get into it. It's giving definitely what needs to be gave, right? But, peep, this is what we looking at right here. You see this? So I'm gonna push it back on the edges. So we just gonna go like this here. Okay. Now this side, as y'all can see, my edges is some hair, right? If I can get closer for the focus, it's some hair right here. If y'all can see, like little bitty hairs or whatever. So it looked like as though it's coming back or trying to do the likes thereof. But as of right now, it's still a huge bald spot, as y'all can see. So it is a process, so it is coming along. But right now, it's very much so giving bald head. But I will say that the areas that were like really, really smooth, almost like a baby's bottom almost, they are feeling a little bit prickly now. So I know that they're, hair follicles that are growing and trying to come up. So I'm just trying to be consistent with that. I did want to come on here and let y'all know though, because I know that, it's a lot of people that follow me and ask for, my updates on my hair journey and how everything's been going. I know a lot of people have gotten these products and they want to know real life reviews and not just the sponsor stuff. None of my stuff is sponsored, none of it. But I just want to come over here and give y'all that real deal Holyfield, because y'all already know how I am. Simply Gang Gang, we in this thing, and always keep it real deal Holyfield with y'all. And I don't want to sugarcoat nothing with y'all either. So that's why I decided to come on here and let y'all know how it's going. So this is my second month now with Galaxy Hair Solutions. And I mean, my hair, like, thickness, check. Density, check. Growth, check. Edges, work in progress. Work in progress. Okay? So for right now, all we doing is this here. So you grip it, you pull it out like this here. And we fluff. So that's how we do it right now. But the fro is there. The fro is here, it's living, it's thriving, baby. Gray hair is peeking through. I know y'all can see them. And yeah, but all in all, I'm excited. I'm excited about my current hair journey and how fast my hair has grown. So I know it's gonna be a process. So I'm just trying to be patient throughout that process and keep it moving, keep it pushing, okay? As we always do, so flawlessly. So yes, I just wanted to hop on here and let y'all know that update and how everything's going with my hair. And yeah, I do plan on, I know, because I said I was gonna keep, my fro and just wear my hair out this summer. But I am going on a trip, and water will be involved. So I am going to be getting braids. I'm getting some knotless braids. So that will probably make, why am I so tongue-tied? Okay. So that will probably be my other go-to style for the rest of the year, the summer. So either it's going to be in a fro, curly, natural, or it's gonna be in some knotless braids, because I'm really trying to get these edges back. And I feel like once I grow my hair back down to bra strap length again, because as y'all know, this is my 4th time big chopping my hair. So this time when it get back down to where it possibly in this long and stuff, I'm not gonna cut it no more. I made up my mind. I'm not gonna cut it anymore. I think I'm through with that phase. You know, I'm in my 30s and I'm just getting tired of keep cutting it just for me to have to grow back down because I get so tired of wearing the wigs and I have so much hair. So I'm gonna just start wearing my own hair, period, because why not? It's healed. Like, come on now. So I'm gonna just start wearing my own hair and go about the process that way. So I will, like always, keep y'all updated on everything that's going on. As always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you're still here at this point in the video, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that link and notification down in the description below, so that way you can be notified every time I upload content, which has been every week, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to keep the ball rolling and keep this content coming. So I'm so excited. And thank you guys for watching. Until next time, Simply Gang, we in this thing, baby. Peace.